you don't really have extension. It looks like you do here, but you really don't.
Okay.
These bones should be moving back more. In extension, you have a normal neck curve. That's what's interesting. Okay? Inflection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C7 didn't move.
Okay.
We're going to do, because according to divorce test, it's telling us to do the base of the neck. So we're going to do C7. Down, down. Gotcha.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Spicy.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. T6 is a PR-T or PRIT. Nice. Now let's do a double. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. All clear.